Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to rank your blog or a website to a top searches of the Google using various tools. So today we will discuss all the tools and choosing the right keywords for our blog. We will discuss all these details in this video. Let's say I have a blog which I want to publish and it is about top 10 tech gadgets. So I need to choose all those keywords which is having high availability and less competition. So I will include all those keywords in my blog, so the chances of my blog to come on the Google top searches will be higher. So for this I need to go to the website which name is keyword.io. I provide the link in the description. You can find there. It is totally free. So I need to provide my keyword which is tech gadgets. When I run it, and it is for all the locations, or you can choose any location you want. So I'm choosing location is for India. When I click on the search, it will find all the related keyword according to my keyword. So we have a list of all the keywords related to my keyword. So you can choose any of this top 10 or maybe top 20. You can choose. This is all the keyword which is totally searching on the Google, which is have a high availability. So I check all the keywords. When I click on the copy, I need to copy all the keywords. I copied all the keywords. Now I need to find the SEO availability for all the keywords. For this I need to go to the another tool. This is another tool which is having KW Finder. It is giving only 10 days free trial. You can utilize it. So when I click on the import now, or you just try to paste your keywords. So I just paste all the keywords. When you click on the process keyword, it will give all the information about my keywords which is having high availability. So see, we have a availability is 31. When I click on this icon, it will give the graph of SEO difficulty. So you need to focus only on those keywords which is having 0 to 30 SEO difficulty level. So let me sort my keywords according to this. So see, 7 high-tech Japanese gadget which is having very low SEO difficulty, or you can choose up to the 40, up to the 41. So I need to include all these keywords in my blog. Also, if you find one particular keyword which is good for your blog, you can use another tool which is .getkeywords.io. You need to go to the website and you provide your main focused keyword. So I provide my keywords and choose the location which you want to publish your article or a blog. When I click on the search, it will get all the information about your keyword and what the SEO difficulty level. So there's only 46% SEO difficulty. And you can see the devices which it's searching for. Mainly it is on 67% on mobile, and they are top location which is people searching for this tech gadgets. The United States the topmost location, and then third most the India. And you can see top advertisers for this particular keyword and what the questions people asking on Google related to these keywords. Also you can see the related keywords for your keyword. You try to include all those keywords in your blog, so modify your blog according to these keywords and include these keywords as well. Try these methods to rank your blog on the Google. These are the main method which I have discussed in this video. So follow these tools like this KW Finder and the keyword.io. So follow these methods for your blog and update your blog related to these keywords. So then it will have a high chances of your blog to come on the Google. So I will provide all the links for the tools in my description. Please find there, and I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel.